Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this shield effect in UE5 Niagara and I'll create it from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So let's create this, and for that let's create a material first. So M Ronel. Okay. So in this one, if you take like first if you take the noise texture or anything like aura like this. So basically because of the UVs of this sphere, if I preview this texture will like there's a pinpoint here. You can see these checkers also like stretching here. So if I previewing this texture because my shaders combine, let it